the 18Tech Pop-Up Sport Tent has been one of our best finds in a while. It starts at around $180 and comes in various sizes. Must have for game days, especially in the rainy Pacific Northwest. We use it so often, in fact, that the tent frame can start to pop out with all the folding and unfolding it goes through. To repair it, flip the tent over onto its side and locate the zipper hidden between the seams. Unlike regular old zippers, however, this one can't easily be opened with your fingers. The zipper has a special release lever in place of a regular handle which keeps it locked into place at all times. To open it, find a pair of needle nose pliers like this one and gently grab the small tab pointing towards the rest of the zipper. Be careful, too much force and you could damage the zipper beyond repair. Once opened, you can see the two sleeves where each end of the tent frame enter and exit. Note how the frame overlaps onto itself. Take the escaping end of the tent frame and try to slide it back into the sleeve far enough so that the exposed tip can be reinserted. You may have to wiggle the other end of the frame to ease it back into position. May take a little time, but try to ensure both ends of the frame are fully seated in the sleeves. Once you're satisfied, use the needle nose pliers to close the zipper and you are good to go. Thanks for watching.